All right, I think we are live. Y'all still got me working. You're working hard today. All right, what's going on? What's going on? Hello, everyone. I just set up a quick video stream here. We're actually streaming on a few platforms, so I am not going to hold you long. Honestly, I just want to explain the 100 leads in 30 days. So whatever platform you are joining me on, if you could do me a favor, you can type in the chat. Let me know who's here with me live. And we'll go ahead and get started. So I know we just sent out a text message, but we got a lot of people that have opted in and are interested in generating 100 leads in 30 days. So even if you are with me live, if you are ready to generate 100 leads in 30 days, go ahead and type me in the chat. Go ahead and type me in the chat. If you are ready to generate 100 leads in 30 days, I am going to go ahead and share this into the group. I see a couple of people that are on. So, hey, y'all. All right. So, oh, man, I forgot to put the offer in there. I forgot to put the link in there. So let me explain to you really quickly how we're going to get this done, okay? So here's what's happening, and here's why I am doing this. Right. So you guys know that I am all things about generating revenue in your business. Okay. So I'm all things about hosting webinars, or virtual events, right? So virtual events. I believe that a webinar is nothing more than a virtual event or online training. So type virtual event. So even if you are watching live, if you are watching the replay, doesn't really matter. I know I kind of said, I just finished teaching. So I was like, well, let me get the message out there now. For those that have registered, they're on the wait list. And if you are not very clear on what we're getting ready to do, all right? So a lot of people are in my space, are in my community, are building their email list. How many of you under the sound of my voice are still building your email list? Type list. If you are still building your email list, do me a favor and type list. All right. Doesn't matter. I will see your comments. All right. And so perfect. And the reason that is important is because when you are in this space and you are trying to get people to buy your products, you're trying to get people to buy your courses, a lot of times it gets frustrating. Am I right? It gets very frustrating when you don't have an audience to sell to. That sucks. It actually kind of sucks, right? I hate to say that, but it kind of stinks. Like you do all of this hard work to do your launch strategies, and you make your PowerPoint presentations beautiful, and then no one actually purchases. Like, does that not hurt your feelings? Right? I get it. I've been there. And so here is what I realized. And I've decided that I want to take 10 people, because all of my clients are going through it, right? So we are literally going to cap it off at 10 people. And so there is going to be a live lesson every single week with me where I'm showing you exactly step by step what I do to organically get people to register for my webinar, my challenge, my 100 leads in 30 days. I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and I'm going to show you step by step. And so what I'm going to do is put all of the training and all the material in my membership program. It's in my membership area, right? It honestly is an investment of $97. Like, listen, a freaking $97. Most of you guys have known I have products that range from $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 and above. And also, of course, it's like $1,000, right? So $97, y'all, and it's 10 people. So it's not like I'm trying to look at this as an opportunity to make money off of it, but I do want to get paid for the time and for the skills and the strategies that I'm going to show you. I'm also going to invite someone in who's going to show you a DM strategy as well. And then we are going to do a paid strategy. And I'm going to try to do it in enough time that it'll help you, right? So most of it is going to be organic, to be honest with you, because a lot of people honestly do not have the money, right? A lot of people do not have the money to actually run ads for, I don't know, $1,000, $6,000 a month, right? If you did, you would already be doing that. So it's literally going to be 4 weeks. You're going to have emails and messages from me pretty much every other day, if not every day. We're going to keep track. And so the goal is to do 25 leads. Somebody typed in the chat, 25 leads. Your goal is to generate 25 leads every single week. Type 25 in the chat. Do you think that that's feasible? That's actually not bad, y'all. 25 leads is not bad. And I'm going to help you get those 25 leads. And then we're going to celebrate at the end of every week when we hit those numbers. All right. Like, I'm already excited because it kicks off on Monday. I'm already excited, right? So 25 leads every week for 4 weeks. How many is that? That's 100. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yvonne, you can do it. Is it Sinead? What? Were you in my program before? I'm like, I know that name before. But yeah, so you can do 25. Can you do 25? If you can do 25, say 25. I commit to doing 25. All right. So that's literally what it is. So I'm looking at my agenda, my curriculum, and week 1, we're going to be on the Facebook platform. Week 2, we're going to be on Instagram platform. Week 3, we're going to be LinkedIn platform. We're probably going to learn DM strategy before then. And then week 4, I'm going to show you JBs. And I'm going to show you lead ads. All right. So let me go back through it. So week 1, we're going to be on Facebook. And then week 2, we're going to be on Instagram. And at some point, we're going to combine and do them all. All right. Week 3, we're going to be on LinkedIn. And then week 4 is going to be joint ventures and then your lead ad. And then we're going to have a VIP workshop, which is an additional $197. But I'm not worried about that right now. I'll talk to you a little bit about that later because I need y'all to start generating leads before you think about a workshop towards the end. All right. So are you ready? Are you ready? Let me go get the link real quick. $97. $97. $97. Are you ready? If you are ready, I'm going to put the link for you to join. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, I was like, I know that name before. We had another young lady named Mitchell in one of our programs. So I'm sorry about that. All right, so let me get the link real quick. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put it in the chat. So that's the link for you to join. Let me find my other video that's showing right now. And all right, so if you are ready, join me now. There you go, my friends. And YouTube, I'm gonna have to put your link in there later. So remember, I'm gonna cut it off at 10 because this is like a cohort, and so we're gonna cut it off at 10. So I literally want you guys to hit the button, and then I'll let you guys know how many seats we have. We're going to close it out this weekend so that everybody is enrolled and ready to go by Monday. Let me ask you this. Do you have somewhere where you can drive traffic? Have you done a webinar before? Do you have a lead magnet? Because you have to have somewhere where you can drive traffic to. All right. That's the other thing. You have to have somewhere where you can drive traffic to. So like I said, we are going to do 100 leads in 30 days. We got some people that's going to be aggressive. Like I know some of my students going to be like, all right, Coach D, like I'm going to do 200 in 30 days. I'm going to do 200 in 30 days. I got it, Coach D. And I'm cool with that. If you do 200, hey, kudos to you, right? But my goal minimum, I want you to get 100 new leads on your list in the next 30 days. And it's not hard, y'all. And the beautiful thing about it is I'm going to go through this process with you because this is how much I believe in it. And so you're going to see me actually doing these things and implementing these same strategies that I've done in order to get like 25 people, and I think 25 people registered like to just today alone for the wait list for the lead gen. And we really just started talking about this week, and it's still the beginning of the week, right? So I still have the rest of the week to market it, but this is something that the audience and my tribe needed, and I wanted to get it out there to you guys. But I wanted to make sure that you understand what you're going to be getting. And so for those 10 people, you're basically going to get access. So if you don't know, I have a Webinar Success Tribe support membership. Every single week, we are talking about all things webinar, whether it's the webinar presentation, whether it's the follow-up sequence, whether it's the email sequence, how to nurture your leads, how to get more leads. We meet every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So any of the individuals that sign up for the 100 leads in 30 days will actually get 30 days free to the Webinar Success Tribe membership. So you get to see what it's like to be a part of the Webinar Success Tribe membership. All right. So that's on me. So that way you can also bring any questions that you have about your webinar to the call as well. But our main focus is going to be you building your email list, you getting leads on there, because you have to remember they are not in your ecosystem until you get them on your email list. I'm just saying. You can't, you own your database, but if any of the social media platforms shut down, what can you do with that, my friend? All right. Any questions while we are here about the 100 leads in 30 days? It does kick off on Monday, so be ready. It is literally $97. That's it. What other questions? So I'm going to make sure that the replay goes out. We are streaming to YouTube as well. Any questions from anyone? Oh, let me mute this. Anyone on any of the platforms? Going once? Going twice? What about Facebook? YouTube? Anybody that's on the actual broadcast with me here? I know some people are going to be watching the replay. So I tell you what, and if you are watching the replay, still put your comments in the chat because I'll get notified. If you are actually on the broadcast and you are watching the replay, there's going to be a comment section. You can comment in the box and it'll be emailed to me and I can answer any questions that you have. All right. So listen, who's ready to get 100 leads? Type in the chat. Are you ready? Are y'all ready? I'm ready. I was excited. All students, all my clients, they're all ready. They're going to be doing it. I can't wait. Class is not Monday, but you will actually, you'll be registered. You'll get access into the membership area. So you'll know exactly what you should be doing by Monday. And then we'll meet on Tuesday. All right. So click the link. Come on, Yvonne. Am I saying your name right? Is it Sinai? Sinai Mitchell. Sinai Mitchell. I know that name. Sinai Mitchell. I hope I'm saying your name right. All right. So make sure that you click the link. I got all my notifications off, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting notifications or not. Because I'm on Do Not Disturb. So listen, if you have any additional questions, you can shoot me a message. You can email us at info@visionsconsulting.com. info@visionsconsulting.com. Come on, y'all. Cup of coffee a day. Let's go ahead and get 100 leads in the next 30 days. If you are just joining on, I wanted to do this video because some of you, the links we're sending you to the webinar challenge. Webinar challenge is not until next month. This is leads, 100 leads in 30 days. All right. So this is not the webinar challenge. That's why I wanted to do a video that actually speaks directly to the 100 leads. So if you're just joining, when I close this out, I want you to go back and watch the replay. When I close this out, I want you to go back and watch the replay. Got it? Okay, so I will see my next 10 people. I will see my next 10 people in the 100 leads in 30 days. And we're gonna celebrate, y'all. We're gonna celebrate together. We're gonna build our list together, and we're gonna make some money together. How about that? All right. All right, y'all. My name is DeKesha Williams, your virtual COO and webinar strategist. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable. I'll see you guys next time.